Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is about fletching and add a bolt yourself. So let's get started. At the end of the rail there's a stop where the half moon knock should rest. This ensures that the distance to the vanes is always the same. First we position the vanes in the holder. All vanes with a thickness of approximately 0.7 mm fit in the slot. Now we apply a thin layer of superglue to the vane. A gel-like glue is best, as it's easier to apply. Now we can glue the first vane onto the bolt by pressing the correctly positioned bolt into the groove. Repeat the same process with the other vane. Now we can take the second half and join the two halves together. Press firmly together for a moment and wait a bit. Now let's take a look at the result. Great, absolutely straight and perfectly aligned. Now we are done. Thanks for watching.